Namaste. Today we are going to practice a beautiful technique in yoga, Maha Bandha. Maha means great or supreme. Bandha means lock. Great lock is mentioned in the yogic text Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Geranda and Siva Samhita. Mahabandha, the great lock, combines all the other three bandhas, namely Jalandhara Bandha, touching the chin close to the chest, Uddiyana Bandha, contraction of the abdomen into the rib cage, Moola Bandha, contraction of the perineum. Why are bandhas useful? The root, Moola, and throat, Jalandhara bandhas functions is to seal the upper and lower end of the spinal column. Jalandhara bandha temporarily prevents prana from moving up, while Moola bandha blocks the downward movement of energy and pulls it back towards the navel region. When both are engaged to the same time, it's like two sticks being rubbed together with the application of the stomach lock as well, magnifying it to produce the fire of heat. Procedure: take a deep breath and then exhale fully. Simultaneously perform Jalandhara Bandha, the chin lock, then Uddiyana Bandha, the abdominal lock, and then the Moola Bandha, the root lock, in the order. Retain the breath outside as long as you are comfortable. During retention, awareness can be maintained on any of the three chakras, Mooladhara chakra, or Manipura chakra, or Vishuddha chakra. You may also rotate the conscious between three chakras. To release the Mahabandha, first release Moola Bandha, root lock, then Uddiyana Bandha, abdominal lock, and then finally Jalandhara Bandha, chin lock, in the order. This is one round of Mahabandha. Take ample rest after each round. Benefits of Mahabandha: strengthens the abdominal muscles and diaphragm, thus improves digestion and purifies the toxins from our body. Increase the blood circulation throughout the body and brain. The brain becomes healthier. Along with this, practice mainly helps in getting a younger brain and body. Even an old person can become young when it is done regularly. It activates the pineal gland and regulates the entire endocrine glands. The mind calms down and there is experience of a peaceful state. It will activate Mooladhara chakra, Manipura chakra and Vishuddha chakra, thus help in the awakening of the Kundalini. Prevents the mind for deeper meditation. It also merges the prana, apana and samana vayus. Strengthening of the nervous system and pelvic region. It also supports intestinal function, promotes immunity, regulates the thyroid function, strengthens internal organs, stimulates the function of the whole endocrine system and revitalize each and every cell in the body. Hatha Yoga Pradipika and Geranda Samhita describes Mahabandha as the conqueror of old age and death. Mahabandha is practiced in yogis to attain a peaceful and introverted state of mind before starting the practice of meditation. Those who are suffering stomach ulcer, hernia, high BP, heart diseases, glaucoma, people should not do. While Moola and Jalandhara Bandha can be performed both after inhalation and exhalation, but Udyana and Mahabandha are only engaged in Bahya Kumbhaka, external retention. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.